Hey, it's Money Mind. This is a new video for this week. As always, I bring updates on interesting things about finance and investing. So I came across this company. It's called Mogo. This company, it's a fintech company. It has 1 million members. IPO'd when it went public, initial public offering on the stock exchange in 2015. And if we go location, this is Canadian company, and you can see location here is Vancouver, Surrey, and Winnipeg. So it's more of like a bank or financial technological company. That's the meaning of fintech. That's kind of new things these days. If we go here, we can see the stock TSX Toronto Stock Exchange is the price is 10 today, and market capitalization is about 491 million, so about 5 million. So it's very small. It's a small cap company, and of course currency is Canadian, but also it's on the NASDAQ, which is in New York. Yeah, you can see here listing on the NASDAQ on April 18, 2018. So it's been on NASDAQ for about 3 years now. So the reason I'm bringing this video is not more about the company itself, it's but because of what new product they're going to offer, and that's what we're interested to talk about. So let's look at the product first of all. This company product that they do have credit score, so you can sign with this company, which you can get your credit score for free. They have Protect, which is identity protection, where you can put your information, and also this is a free service where you can put your information, and then if your identification has been compromised, they will notify you. That's another service they have. They have a Spend, which is a credit card, and we're gonna talk about that. They have loans, so this is more of your line of credit. You can apply. We're not going into all those services. We'll be going into one service about spending, which is a new service that they have, but I'm just giving you overview of everything that they have. They have loans, they have mortgage, so you can apply mortgage through them, and wealth, which is about investing also, and they have Bitcoin. So we're interested about Bitcoin and Spend, right? So invest wisely, reach 1 million, right? Get a proven strategy to make winning investment decision. So you can sign up, and they give you the example of how your money can grow. So let's go to the product that they have. This is a credit card. You can see here. Let's start with Bitcoin first. So this company, what you can do, because today the main goal of this video is about Bitcoin. This company, you can invest your money. So for example, right now in Canada, the way to invest in Bitcoin, I made a video about investing in Bitcoin. The easiest way is to invest in like a ETF, or there's open-ended funds that tracks Bitcoin, so you can invest that way, and that's the way probably I personally prefer. But at the same time, I do have also other like Coinbase. You can also use Coinbase to invest to buy Bitcoin in it, and some other companies too. So you can buy Bitcoin with this company once you open an account, and as I say, trade on TSX and NASDAQ. And they give you an example here. For example, if you buy an ETF, of course, open-ended fund, you're going to pay about 195% of MER, management expense ratio. When you invest in ETF, you're going to pay about, from 75 to 1%. So you pay fee using ETF. But the ETF, the good thing about ETF, is the easiest you can use any broker, TD, RBC. You can use any broker to buy Bitcoin. With this one, they tell you an example. If you just invest with them, because you don't pay all those fees, I mean, your money will grow more, 339K more than the regular. That's their pitch for you to invest with them, right? So it's not a bad thing. It's okay. And also you can monitor your asset performance in real time. So you have mobile app. They do have mobile app on Android and also iOS. Cashback on high volume trading. So if you do trade, earn half a percentage cashback on all your trades within the month when you trade a total of 10,000 or more in a month. So if you trade frequently trader, then you can earn about half a percentage, and that money will be translated into, or will be converted into Bitcoin. So it's gonna go back to kind of reinvest. It's more like a dividend, but it's just more cashback that way. So it's a new product. I was like, really interested for me to make a video on this one. So the other cool thing that I want to talk today is, let's look at spending. So they do have a new credit card. So save money and the planet, earn Bitcoin. So you can open credit card with them. They have a credit card which is a cashback credit card. You can see here it's floating. It's a Visa. So when you use this credit card, every time you do purchase, you get about 1% of cashback. You guys might have known there are a lot of cashback credit cards around, but this one is particularly is for Bitcoin. So every time you're gonna get cashback, so instead of cashback, you're gonna get a fraction of Bitcoin, or equivalent to how much you've spent of that 1%. So if you spend $1,000, of course you're gonna get $1. And that $1, instead of being as a cash, will be in a Bitcoin. $1 will only be domestic. If you do purchase international, so if your transaction is based off any overseas, then you get about 2%, right? And of course the Visa will be the credit card itself will be Visa Platinum prepaid card. So here is my critique about this card, and that's particularly me personally. I won't get this card is because it's prepaid. I've never used prepaid cards. I don't like them. You literally have to pay to put money in it, and there's all kind of restrictions on how much you can put. The only good thing about this card is just it's a prepaid where you don't have to actually pay fees to own the card. That's kind of good thing about it. But apart from that, I don't like this type of card, right? And unlimited Bitcoin cashback. With Mogo, you can earn 1% Bitcoin cashback on purchases in Canada and 2% for foreign transactions. Your reward will be deposited in cash monthly into your Bitcoin and reward account. Achieve the debt-free lifestyle. Help save a planet from climate change and stack sat. And beat of Bitcoin. Win-win situation. So they saying, of course, you're going to reach your financial freedom is because when you use a prepaid, later you don't borrow the money. That's the advantage of prepaid card. That's the only advantage I can think about prepaid card. Actually, there's two advantages. First of all, maybe if you have very little cash, if somebody steals your card, you don't have much money in it. All right, so that's one thing. And the other advantage is because, of course, you're not borrowing money. You're not borrowing money to spend. Is your own money, right? That's a good thing about that, I can say. And I'm not sure if by using this credit card you would build your credit score. Some credit card they never mention on their website, so I'm assuming you might be building up your credit history and get a score, because you can also check your credit score using their services, and also it's free. What else they have? So here, how much can you, so how can you have the money in that card? How to transfer the money? Here they have the chart. How much money can I add to my Mogo cards? So of course, maximum balance is $10,000. You can only transfer $10,000, and then at any 24-hour period, you can only put 9,900. And of course, maximum amount of one transfer through Canada Post is 5,000. So you can go to Canada Post and transfer the money that way. Just give you a barcode and you can just scan it and transfer the money that way, or you can just do e-transfer or wire transfer. And maximum number of transfer in any 24-hour period is 10. You can do 10 transaction or transfers. Minimum amount of transfer in any 24-hour period is about $10. Maximum amount of purchase is about $5,000. maximum amount of any one purchase is 3,000, and cash withdrawal in any 24-hour period will be only one withdrawal allowed. Maximum amount of any cash withdrawn is 5,000. So you can only, like, at one point, if you have 10,000, you can only take 5,000, and you can only do that once within 24-hour period. So that's it about this card. So just to recap, in order for you to have this card that will give you 1% cash back, you have to open a Bitcoin account with them. And so you're going to have a Bitcoin account where you can transfer your money in, and you can start investing as just normal as you can invest in any other Bitcoin. And you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin. And so that's, and once you have that, then they're going to give you a credit card as well. You can apply with that. So every time you purchase, you're going to get cash back 1%. So as I say, it's a good thing, I think, for most people. But personally, for example, the only reason I won't be getting this is because, first of all, I mean, they only have one currency, one Bitcoin, one crypto currency type, which is Bitcoin. For me, I like Ethereum, I like Litecoin, I like other cryptocurrencies. So I go with a platform that are broader, had more of currencies that I can buy rather than just have one type of currency, right? So that's the one reason I won't get. And the other reason why I personally don't like their services, first, they actually have credit card, which is a prepaid, which I don't like. And the cash back they do have is only 1%, where you can get 2% from American Express, for example. It's a cash, it's not Bitcoin, but it's still, so we talk about money, right? They give you actual cash, hard cash, 2% on each transfer. I have a Costco MasterCard, which gives you 3% cash back at restaurants. So that beats everything. So if they raise to 2%, I might consider. And also, if they add at least Ethereum into their platform, then I might consider. So there you have it. If you have any question, let me know. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. This is Money Mind, and I'm always going to bring you information whenever I find some new information and if I feel it is interesting for you to know. Thank you very much. Till we meet next time. Bye bye.